In the currency quadrant, taking a look at a new low in the euro currency. The currency hits a new rotational low, lowest level since May 2nd. The currency also continues to weaken against the US dollar, dropping 1.5% from the recent high close on June 3rd and 1.91% from the June 4th swing high through today's low. The euro has closed lower in price in 8 of the last 13 sessions, as well as completing its 5th straight week of lower prices. The high today was up less than 0.1%, 1.0764. The low today, 1.0714, was down 1/3%, and we ended up finishing the day down between 1/10 and 0.2%. EU PMI figures in the small to medium-sized business area come in lower than expected. These were the Hamburg Commercial Bank Composite Services and Manufacturing Flash PMIs for the month of June, and every one of them finished lower than expected and lower than the previous month. Maybe the most disappointing was the continued contraction in manufacturing, which in the EU now reads at 45.6 versus the last of 47.3 and an expectation of an increase to 47.9. Germany's manufacturing PMI dropped all the way down to 43.4, and Germany is, of course, the manufacturing engine of the EU, so it's unlikely you see a recovery in EU manufacturing without seeing one in Germany first. Rate expectations in the US continue to remain high for a cut, but they are stable, with about a 59% chance of a September rate cut and 5 cuts priced in through July of 2025. But if EU data, economic data, continues to be weak, the Fed would need all of those rate cuts for the dollar to weaken enough to give the euro a chance to actually put in a bid and find a bottom.